Hello, my name's Tom Godney with Southern Market Share. Every day we get asked, who is Southern Market Share? How do you work with dealers? How can you help us? Today, I'm here to help address or answer those questions. Material handling and industrial supply salespeople have thousands of products they sell. They cannot be experts on everything. Since we are factory trained in 14 specific product lines, we are experts at helping salespeople solve specific problems their customers are facing. When salespeople work with us, their customers understand how to better address problems and implement solutions. We allow salespeople to simultaneously build trust while growing their sales. Thank you, and I hope this helps you understand who we are here at Southern Market Share. Have a great day.